What would an extra $100 every single day or more do for you and for your family? Well, for a lot of people, that would allow them the time freedom that they're looking for or to pay off their debt. Hey, it's Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com, and in this video right here, I'm gonna walk you through nine different websites that are gonna allow you to make at least $100 every single day. So get out your pen and paper, we're gonna dive into my computer, and I'm gonna show you exactly what those look like and the strategies that you need to implement with them in order to have results. Most of these are active income where you do the work and you get paid. So if you're looking for passive income, make sure to click the link at the top of the description so you can learn how to get paid over and over again for the work you do one time. Now, let's dive into my computer and let's walk you through each of the 9 websites. Number 9 is Kindle Direct Publishing. Using this website right here, Amazon will actually publish your work. So your books, ebooks, regular books, whatever, you can publish in here. They can go to Amazon, they can be sold as ebooks and go to Amazon Kindle. But what's really neat about this is not only will they take care of like the hard stuff, like actually the selling part, the logistics of selling these things, but you can actually make money from this ongoing, month after month. You do the work one time, you set it up, you create the ebook or whatever, and you give it to them. They have a ton of traffic on Amazon and on Kindle. So make it some sort of catchy name. You're gonna have traffic checking it out, and you can make money month after month from that one piece of work you do one time. Number 8, Google Adsense. Now, Google will actually pay you to place ads on your content. So if you're building a channel on YouTube or you've got a blog, as you are bringing traffic onto your videos, onto your blog posts, Google, it will pay you in order to place ads on that page. Have you ever been on a site like WebMD and maybe you're looking up like sinus infection, and then on the side pane there's all kinds of stuff about Mucinex MD and a bunch of different ads that relate to the topic you're looking at? Those are ads placed with Google. Those are advertisers paying Google to get their stuff in front of the right audience. Well, WebMD is getting money from Google because they allow them to place ads on those blog posts. Same thing with YouTube videos. Once you hit the minimum threshold for audience and views on your channel, you can turn on monetization. And Google, YouTube, they're actually the same company, so don't worry about that. It's the same people. When you allow monetization, you allow people to place ads on your videos, either little pop-up boxes on the bottom portion of the screen, or most commonly those like skip through videos you see at the beginning of a video. So for the first 5 seconds, you have to watch a video, then you can hit skip. Those are called in-stream videos. And by allowing all of these different ads to go on your YouTube channel in front of your content, YouTube or Google, they're gonna actually pay you for that. A good friend of ours made over $70,000 last year just from the ads that he allowed on his YouTube videos. So it can be a huge income potential as you're building that audience and getting traffic. Website number 7 is with Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is their affiliate marketing program. So as an associate building an audience on Instagram, YouTube, your blog, wherever, you can refer people to make purchases on Amazon and you get a cut of the commission. Typically around 5 to 7% for these physical products people can purchase through Amazon. If you can buy it on Amazon, you can promote it as an Amazon affiliate. So it's essentially unlimited, all of the different products that you can promote. Now, if you want to get some more detailed training on exactly how to be successful with Amazon Associates, right here is an info card on a video I recently released that walks you through how to do this with a blog, how to do this with YouTube, how to do this with Instagram. So watch this one if you want to do this strategy. Number 6 is a website called MTurk. This is another Amazon associated type website. This comes from the Amazon company, and this is essentially crowdsourcing for little tasks that need to get done. So essentially they are going to pay people to do some menial jobs that just need to get done and don't take a lot of brain power to do it. They just need things that just have to be done. So you can log in, put in a little time and get paid. I think they say about $10 to $16 an hour is what you can expect with MTurk. So if you don't want to deal with creating content or running a business, you just want to put in some time and get paid, well then MTurk might be the best fit for you. Website number 5 is called Flippa.com. Flippa.com. Now this is a website that allows you to purchase businesses, to purchase websites and things online. So you can find a website that has a lot of potential but really isn't earning a lot right now. Maybe they don't have a great website and you could really spruce that up and make a lot more money. So you can come in here, find a website or a business for sale, something that you can assess, you know you can improve upon, purchase it. Then you could go to a place like Duda.com freelancework.co. I'll have a link right here on how to use that website in order to create a great website and improve what's going on at that URL. When you improve that website, you can generate more traffic, you can start making more money with it, but you can also just flip it. So if you've made improvements to it, you can go ahead and sell it and just flip it for cash. However, if if it's working, well, maybe you just keep it working and just keep improving it and growing it and making month after month income with the website. Website number 4 is actually 2 different websites. They're Freelance Work websites. So it's Upworks and Fiverr. Got another video right here if you want to do the strategy, dives more into that, but you can do anything. Offer your services like VA work, like managing someone's social media accounts, doing some typing or transcription for them. Maybe you speak 2 languages and you can transcribe something from one language to the other. Maybe you could, honestly, what you can do online, what you can offer through Fiverr and Upwork is essentially unlimited. We have a friend that makes really good money doing voiceover work through Fiverr. There's a lot of opportunity. You can essentially offer any sort of service that some business or entrepreneur would like to outsource through Fiverr or Upworks.com, and you can make some really good money doing it. Again, there's a video all about that if you want to see what kinds of jobs you can do and get a little more detail on how to get started with them. Website number 3 is called Canva.com. This is a super simple graphic design website that allows anybody without experience to go in and make some great graphics. So these could be thumbnails for YouTube videos, banners for Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, whatever. You can create things that look very professional, very sharp, and very quickly based on the templates that they have. Now, the website is totally free to get signed up with, and you can learn, play with it a little bit, learn how to use it. It's super intuitive. If you have any experience with computers, you'll pick it up like that, no problem. But what you can do is offer your services for creating thumbnails, for creating social media banners, whatever, on Fiverr or Upwork. So you're doing the work for them, but it can take you very little time. Based on how many reviews you get and how good you're getting at it, you can charge quite a lot of money for this stuff. But even when you're getting started, $5-10 for a YouTube thumbnail that took you 5-10 minutes, that's easy money. We've got another video right here that goes through that strategy if you want to get some more details on it. Now, I'm really excited about website number 2. This is just hot off the presses. We've actually known about My Lead Assistant Pro for several years. We love their system. They teach online marketing, how to grow your social media presence, build that audience, engage with that audience, and sell to that audience. But on top of the tools they already have in place, so you can host your blog with them, you can have customizable capture pages to their system, they have a CRM. They just added something that's really, really revolutionary. They added a business center. Now, what the heck is that? Well, I can show you here. It's really, really cool. So under my websites, if you go to MLSP Business Center, this will actually allow you to offer your own training courses, your own digital products. This, for so many people, has been a huge undertaking. I know when Todd and I started offering our own digital products, it was a mess. We had to upgrade to Infusionsoft, which was like $2,000 and a ton of time and very complicated. And then we had to get different membership site plugins for our site. It was just very complicated, a lot of interfacing, and not something that someone who's not super techie could just jump into and run with. However, this changes the game. You can offer any type of digital products, PDF downloads, video trainings, whatever you want to do right here through their business site. Now, I've never set up training stuff. Todd has done all of that in our business. Over the weekend, I played with this and I set up our very first course through the business center here like that. It was super easy. I didn't have any issues. I just set it up and it was very intuitive. So you can offer any sort of digital product that fits with your industry, with your niche, and you can do that through My Lead Assistant Pro. So then you can promote it on your YouTube channel, Instagram, blogs, wherever you're building your online presence, Facebook ads, but you can use those to promote your digital products, which are essentially, almost 100% profit once you've put in the work one time to create the product. And the best part is they didn't actually increase their prices for their membership site. So you have all of that stuff that they had before, plus now you can host your own digital products, membership sites, all within the system, and it's still for that really low price. So we love them. They're amazing. This link and really links to all of this stuff will be down in the description. This one and maybe a couple of other of them will be our affiliate links, obviously, because we love them and we definitely promote them. On a side note, another way that you can make income from My Lead Assistant Pro's website is as an affiliate. They have an amazing affiliate program. Just last year, we made over $250,000 just from their affiliate program in 2018. Income disclaimer, we worked hard and it wasn't overnight that happened. Most people don't make any money because they don't work. We're not most people. We work hard. Drum roll, please. The #1 website for you to make money online is Legendary Marketer. This is an amazing website that teaches people how to be a digital marketer, how to run ads, how to grow an audience on social media, engage and sell with that audience. They really have an emphasis on affiliate marketing, which speaks definitely to our audience. We love affiliate marketing. It's one of our very favorite income streams, and I think it's a great place for people to get started. Now, I don't have it on at the moment, but I just got my 6-figure ring from Legendary. That was over our first year. We basically made 6 figures that first year. Income disclaimer, we have an audience already. This didn't happen overnight. But their website is awesome. Their training, their service that they provide to people is great. And for those that want to be affiliates of the program, which not everybody does, some people just want the training because it's phenomenal training. But people who want to be affiliates of the program, it's a huge opportunity because they handle the selling for you. They have a nice low-end offer. They have upsells that they handle. Basically, as an affiliate, you just drive traffic. So you do your YouTube video, you do your blog post, your Instagram, whatever, and then you drive people to the first page that they provide for you, and then it just grows from there. Henry decided to join us for the rest of this video. Say hi. Say hi. So Legendary, we love it. We love the direction that the company's headed. We love their heart and what they're doing and how they're helping people. And it's a huge opportunity for those who want to build a business online and do it in a really hands-off way. You just drive the traffic and they handle the rest. Now, if you want to learn more about how to build a long-term sustainable online business, we got some training, top link in the description. Go ahead, click on that link, grab access. We're going to teach you how to go from 0 to 6 figures, 6 figures and above. So please know that we are rooting for you. We are here to help you create the time freedom that you and your family that you deserve. So if you're new to the channel, if this is the very first video you're seeing, make sure that you subscribe. Once again, this is Leah Rae from toddandleahrae.com. Head over to this video that should be floating up above my head, and I'll see you soon.